So now you guys know why. It's junk, it's firewood. All right, guys, took a little break to switch out the batteries in the cameras. Getting a little cold out here. They don't do so good in the cold weather. But check out this red oak, guys. And you all saw that log when I started sawing into it. It looked horrible, terrible on the outside. But looky there, we're getting some really nice lumber out of this today. These right here are quarter sawing, actually. Got some medullary rays going on. Zero sap wood and no rot. Good stuff right there. Man, these are nice. These are better than expected. I didn't think we'd get this nice of lumber out of this log today. I'm pretty happy. All right, friends, we got another cant loaded on the sawmill, and I'm going to show you guys yet again why you get rid of the pith on a log, or you turn it into pallet wood or dunnage or something like that. We're making flooring blanks today, so we're going to get rid of it totally. So right there's the pith right there, the middle of the tree, and the juvenile core around it. And when you look on this face over here, look at that crack right there. And all those juvenile, well, how you would say that? How should I say this the correct way? You have the juvenile core and a lot of pin knots in there when the tree was very young and stuff you don't want in your lumber. You know, your dunnage or your pallets or cross ties, that's fine, but lumber, you don't want that in there. And also, I didn't mention this earlier. Actually, I didn't even do an intro for this video. I just started sawing down here today. I think I'll do a voiceover later. On the sawmill today, we got a Joe Maine Silvertip Turbo 7. If you want to try those blades out, call Joe Maine. His cell phone number is in the video description. Let's get back to sawing. All right, guys, I am done for the day, and sorry for the short video. I spent over half the day up there at the chicken house helping my wife do a clean out on that, where we take all the wood chips and all the manure and all that stuff out of the chicken house, and we throw it on the compost pile. Then we put new chips down, and that takes several hours. That chicken house gets kind of nasty over time, but we got that done today, and that's why I didn't get down here to the sawmill till about 1 o'clock, and it's already, gosh, it's already 3:30. And I have to take Bruno somewhere in about an hour, so I better close up shop and go change clothes or he'll have my hide. So in closing here, friends, thanks for watching. Sorry I didn't get a video out last week. I had a medical procedure done about a week ago. I'm fine, there's nothing wrong with me. I just had to get a little routine procedure done that you have to get when you're an older male, and most of you guys will know what that is. I'm glad I got it over with. But everything came back fine, so I'm in good shape, and that's why you guys didn't see any videos last week. But there's a lot of things coming up, a lot of things, my goodness. I'm trying to do this in one take, but I can't talk half the time. I know that's a shocker. There's a lot of things coming up on the channel the next few weeks, guys. We're going to head back to Virginia and start that cleanup job where we stopped at, not start it, we're going to pick it up where we stopped at right before Christmas. And once we get some logs lined up, we're going to be taking over that LT35 sawmill right there. Some people have asked me how much is that sawmill because it's for sale. It belongs to Wood-Mizer. It does not belong to me, and I think they're around $30,000 for a brand new mill. And that sawmill is brand new, so that's the price of it. If you want to buy it, send me an email and I'll connect you guys with Wood-Mizer. And as soon as I'm done with it here in a few weeks, you can come here and pick it up and I'll train you on it. So that's the price. It's around $30,000. So anyways, we're going back to Virginia. We're going to get back on that project. We're going to take the log splitter over there, the sawmill, and we're going to be taking a brand new machine that will be here in 2 days. I'm not sure when you guys will see this video, but it will be here in 2 days. And hopefully in about a week or two, you guys will see that machine here on the channel. I'm really excited about it. I'm not going to tell you what it is just yet. But if you're on my Patreon site, you will know about it before it gets here, because that's one of the perks about being on Patreon. You see these videos with no ads, and you also find out about stuff like that way before anybody else does. So there's a few perks to that, and it helps support me here at the channel and keeps diesel in the sawmill. If you're interested in Patreon, there's a link down below. Now, like I said earlier, I did a little voiceover. These were flooring blanks I'm sawing today, and I didn't say where these are going. These are going to go on the floor in the timber frame. And more on that later. I got concrete right now, but I want to put hardwood floors on top of it because I'm tired of standing on concrete down there. So anyways, lots to come, guys. The Virginia project, new machine coming, several new projects going on around here this year. A log cabin is in the works here at the farm. We got hay season coming up. That's going to be really busy. I got to start fencing them for the cows over here below the cemetery. Just so many projects here, but I'm glad to have the work. So once again, guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it, and I won't try to leave you hanging for another week like I just did. I'll see you guys here in just a few days. You guys take care.